the causes of conflict between the employer and the what? Employee. And we talked about a few of the areas of conflict. We talked about the lack of respect to the employer. Did we talk about it? Employees not be given time, leave, poor working conditions or environment, or when employees do not receive their wage. You were there yesterday. Yes, or when employees fail to consider the welfare of the employees' allowances, and then when employees fail to accomplish tasks given. So when the employees also are not, I was giving you the examples, when the employees are not allowed to join any trade union. Then we also talked about unequal chances of promotion or lack of promotion. You're working and then you're not being promoted. And also another point is that low remuneration is whereby you're paid lowly or poorly. Yes. A good example is if you are a watchman, how much are you supposed to be paid? Yes, 6,000. Yes. 26. You have paid 26,000. Oh, you have risk allowance. Like for example, in our school here, how much is a watchman paid? It cannot be 1,000. It cannot even be 4,000. Too high. 15 is too high. I think so. I think, you know, it depends with a particular institution, right? Where you're based. It also depends on it. I keep on telling you work hard. That's why I'm telling you to work hard. You should maybe ask around, but yeah, it's very low. Also, there's a sexual harassment by the employer. Yes. If the employer is a male and maybe you're female, sexual harassment is there, and sometimes people don't even talk about it. Another cause of conflict between the employer and the employee is differences in religious affiliation. With the employer, you can have conflict. Maybe your employer is a Protestant and you're Muslim. There can be a conflict in that you're not given time to do what? To worship. Or you're not even allowed, for that matter. Also, you can have racial differences being a conflict. Let's say you're working in a Kamba region and then you are what? A Luo. Yes? You can incur racial or differences, or it's called discrimination, whereby they do not involve you in a welfare matter. Maybe people are supposed, other members of that particular institution are being, they go to visit their home area, yes, and because you are low, they say, we are not going, it's too far, and then your requirements from that your point also is high, so they tend to discriminate you because of your tribe. Also, another area is destruction of property by the employee, is whereby the employee misuses the property. Actually, not even misusing, is destroying the property or stealing. Yes. And a good example I can give is when we were living last term, there were those tanks that we used to fetch water from. You remember them? Yes, the girl side and the boy side. We came back, they are not there. Have you seen them? They are not there. And we all don't know where they are. Where did they go? Yes, where did they go? They're not there. Yes. Then there is also diverging the secrets of the employer of the organization. That is an area it can cause conflicts. So from there, we go to reasons why the employer should give an employee a good salary. Why should a person be given a good salary? To be motivated or to boost your morale. If you're being paid highly, let's say per month, how much do you think is high being paid per month? The highest person you know is being paid how much? Don't go to any celebrity, just know a normal person who's underemployment, not someone who's working a remote job or someone who's an influencer. Don't talk about that. Or don't even a salary. How much? In Kenya. Don't tell me about the footballers, yes? 100, yes. That one can boost your morale. Yes. I also know of a person who's earning 500, another one 700 per month. You know, if you're earning 700, you are still using a lot of money more than I am using. Because if you're earning 700,000, you won't live where I live. You will be paying your rent 250. Or you'll be living in an area where you're paying your mortgage 350. Yes? And you can't wear the clothes that I'm wearing. All your suits cost like 20,000. Yes? You know, you're not living the same. You won't drive the same car. You will drive a what? A German machine. It's what? It's a Range Rover. You're doing a V8. It's in Kenya because the terrain is not good. So it's still 8 million, sorry. So see? The uses are there. You still have going to work hard every day, to work, because maybe your friends who are earning like me. So I want you to think at that, because you'll be, you know why I'm teaching you? Because tomorrow you'll be those people. I always teach my students that they can be better than me times 20. You'll be the CEO earning that. So work hard. You'll be an IT guru or something. You'll be an influencer earning that. So that's it. So if you're employed by an institution and you're being paid highly, like the way I've said, 700,000, it's going to boost your morale. Also, the employee can support himself or family comfortably, because now you have a good amount. That's when you hear your son or your daughter is in the what group of schools. Yes, is schooling in Kenton. Kenton per term is how much? Don't even wanna know. To compensate the worker for work done, yes, and the energy spent. So you spend a lot of energy. Maybe you spend the whole day on meetings, doing negotiations on behalf of the company. So you're being compensated well. Also, it enables them to save and invest. Yes, and it is important. I know that if you earn a salary, if you're here and you start earning your 6 digits, that is the 100,000 plus, right? Make sure every month you're saving something. And when you save it, don't keep it there for long. You invest it, right? And make sure when you're older, like me, when you get money, make sure you invest the money. Make sure, we usually say those are like children. Those children should give birth to other children. Yes? So that you can have, now you don't have to work for the rest of your life. That is how it is. And when you invest in something you know. Don't go to invest in Forex and you know nothing. It's just like me, a teacher, investing in Forex. I know nothing about Forex. What am I doing? From there, are we together?